I'm going to show you a couple different ways to update Pop! OS. The first one's I'm going to call the normal way, and the second way I'm going to call the geeky way. So let's start off with the normal way. I want to go down here to the Pop Shop in the dock. Click on it. It'll open up the Pop Shop, and then we'll want to click on Installed. Here, since I just installed, it's telling me I have updates right away. I'm going to click on Update All. It's going to update, install a bunch of updates for the system and some drivers. I'll come back once it all installs. Alright, so since that update hasn't finished downloading and installing, I'm going to restart my computer because that's a good thing to do after the first initial update after a clean install of Pop! OS. Alright, now that we're rebooted, I'm going to show you the geeky way of updating Pop! OS. We'll want to open up terminal and type in the command sudo apt update, and then it'll prompt you for your password. Now it's searching all of the repositories for any updates. Since I just updated, it's telling me all of my packages are up to date, so I got nothing to install. But if there are things to install, it'll tell you how many packages there are to install. And to install that, you'll want to do sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter on the keyboard. And if you have things to install, it'll prompt you to hit Y on your keyboard to install. Hit Y, then hit enter on your keyboard, and then all of the updates will start to install this way. And that's it for now. If you like this video, please don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Catch you later.